buddy. What time is it? It's 5:30 in the morning.
Roger,
Heading out to Tobin for some monster pike action.
Monster pike.
My buddy Tyler.
Oh,
He's hungover a little bit for some reason.
Alcohol's a factor.
We're gonna smash some monsters for this bounty tournament, boys. How big you want to catch here, Tyler? Where's
at least a
35?
two-hole digging.
35 incher you're gonna catch?
Piece of cake.
Yeah,
well, it's a big fish for some people.
Yeah, okay.
You should not say that.
That did it.
Hello, camera.
Sean's jinking us. Jinking us.
I'm jinking you.
Time to go fishing.
Jinking us off.
So it's a little chilly out. You can see that there. Get some focus on that. There we go. Minus 38 degrees Celsius. So nice and balmy. And we're getting chains on the truck. Having fun yet, Sean?
Getting ready to do some plowing. Got four chains here. We're gonna give her hell when we get out there. Supposedly deep snow out there. So.
It's like P90X fishing. This is why it's called X. Yeah, I got him. Found a spot. Bait in a hole. This thing is pretty good. Nice bird.
Ladder buck.
There you go.
So are you cheap? Hey, we're at Tobin here. It's minus 34 degrees outside. We are
bounty tournament. And we're slamming big pike at Tobin.
We couldn't videotape this morning. We weren't even set up. We had hooked a 20 and a 25. A couple 18s. What do you think this is?
This will be 40-inch for sure.
Well, that's a thick fish. Those are 10-inch holes, boys and girls.
We just gotta get stuff ready. You gotta keep these fish cold or warm and alive well and out for maybe 20 seconds and they're frozen, so you gotta keep them.
We're gonna take our bounty lengths out here and we're in here and we'll get them back here.
That's how I know it's the same fish. He's got a fucking huge growth. Somebody hooked him and he got wrapped up in a log.
Oh, that's a big fish, boys.
Fuck! Chill out, big guy.
He's okay, he's good in here. What do you got for length here, Adam?
Let's go fire it.
Well,
Looking about
40 inch.
40 inch. I'll take a picture of him.
Yeah.
Nice.
I could take a picture of the angler photo in here.
Okay, that's good, Matt. I got great.
Wait, I want to get top. Go down a bit. Down, 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 down. No, like get your whole body. Kneel down and twist his back towards me and hold his head down. Like that. And 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Okay, get one more at him real quick.
We don't need that. We just need a. I think I might go 40. That's good. Okay, let him go. Get some video. Okay. I don't know what to talk.
Oh, how funny. Figured that we haven't caught any small ones today.
I know. Bounty fishing. It's minus 32 out. We've caught about 7 or 8 pike now. This one's pushing around 41 inch. We're gonna get them back. We're gonna get a bigger one. Oh boy.
My hands are cold. Just shove him down.
Just let him sit in the well man for a little bit.
No, he's good. He's gone now.
Woo! Take one more. Okay, that's it.
Alright. We are releasing this 25 to 30 pound pike here. I was going to say rainbow.
Releasing this 25 to 30 pound rainbow.
We gotta turn him here.
Wow.
This fish is big. He's gonna go by himself. Watch this. My hands are cold. This is, what day is it? Friday. We took Friday off of work. We still have another day, and we've slammed 3 over 25 pounds, I guess. I guess the locals said Tobin was slow, but it doesn't seem slow to us. I think he's good to go.
Come zoom in on his back here. Frick. We got 6 holes drilled and he's taken up all the 6 holes.
Go home, buddy. He's fencing up. There he goes. Nice. Every fish has gone well so far. Minus 30 too. Alright. We're going to wait for another flag to go off.
So we got this one, it's 39 40 inches. We're just going to let him go here. Bit of a beast.
It's a big back on that boy. Nice.
Biggest fish I've ever caught.
Yeah, it's a frickin' hog.
So, time to go home, Mr. Big Fish.
That was a legit 39 incher. Mike's trying for a nice 42 to 44 incher. Just a beast. Push him down, we're good to go.
There you go.
Yeah, nice. Good job, buddy. Shake my hand here, buddy.
There you go.
I like it.
It's the biggest one ever for me.
Nice.
41?
Yeah, Mike got about a 41 incher. Decent 20 pounder, maybe a little bit more. He's gonna let her go. We got some pictures.
There we go.
It's a fat fish. Oh man,
That's a fat fish.
yeah, it's a big one.
Definitely the biggest one I've ever caught.
Yeah, well,
And time to go.
he had a 38 incher this morning and now a 41.
Back
We gained
to your
3
home,
inches.
Mr. Fish.
Nice. Scoot him down, he'll be great.
Off we go. Hey.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
So it is pretty much the end of day one here. It's about actually 7:20 because our clock's still in Alberta time. And as you can see, it got a lot warmer. Or not. It's still minus 38. So tell me, Sean, is it cold?
It's cold.
A little bit.
A little bit. You bring those pike out, you got to get those in the live well quick because they freeze quick. And so do your hands.
Yeah, for sure.
It was a tough day, but we managed. I think we got about a dozen pike, maybe 14. And the smallest was about 37 inch, and the biggest was around 43 inch. So hopefully tomorrow we get a 48 incher. We'd really like a nice 35 pounder. It'd be nice. See what we can do.
But all in all, I think a really good day. And you know, it's, like I said, getting a little dark out. We got some sunset going on. Sun went down a while back, and we're still waiting on a few tip-ups, but I think we're about done. So just caught my biggest pike to date. It's a big bastard.
Got him in a live well here.
43 inches, 42
Yeah.
and a half. I don't know if that fits on the screen.
No, it
from
doesn't.
there. So we'll do that.
Nice.
So we're just going to let him go.
Oh, we had a little mishap there with the pike. A little 5 pounder.
And into the hole. And to freedom for you, Mr. Fish.
That's a thick fish. And you're a big dude, Mike.
This thing weighs a lot. Right?
Yeah. Nope.
No.
It's all good. He's cool. Just let him be.
Fish!
Okay. Nice. Doesn't fit.
Almost.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Shake my hand.
That was a good fish.
Biggest pike of your life, eh?
So far,
Nice.
there's bigger out there. We'll catch them.
We've seen at least a 30-35 out there, and he's lurking. Once dusk comes, we're gonna get him.
So, fishing's all done. We're on our way home here. It is, well, we just left Lloydminster a little while ago, but it's a touch warmer today. I think we're about -15 instead of -20 or -40 or hell froze over, whatever temperature it was when we were out on the lake. It's a little blowy snow and not super nice out, but we had a pretty good trip and we're heading home here. So I will let you talk to Sean for a sec. Say hello, Sean.
Yeah, we've been driving for about 7 hours now. It's about an 8-hour drive, but totally worth it. Got some nice pigs on the lake there, so we'll have to wrap up the video and say goodbye until next time.